Thrones from Adidas.
I'm going to make this as quick as I can.
The box is a little bit disappointing. You've got that there, the AM4GOT small OT, which is Game of Thrones. They're in core black, clear and something navy. I think that's collegiate navy. I got them in a 10, which is unusual because I've only been able to ever get them in half sizes. I'm going to try and do this as quick as I can because it's rather warm and my camera keeps stopping on me. So you've got the paper there, that's nice, slide out box. It's got like a sort of added piece here so it doesn't break on you. I've got a clue what this is. They're sort of like, I don't know what they are. It's got a letter here and it's also got something written down there, I think. It looks like writing, but I mean, aren't they cool? Even my mum likes these and she's mardy ass. She said it's cold, it's 22 degrees. It's got on there, look, for the throne. Got these in clear, which have actually been cut. Whoa, in my hero. Keep getting attacked every time I come out. As you can see, they've made them sort of extra spiky. Normally these cross over, but they've just put like a little piece here and here, which is strange. Got the 3M laces popping there. Are they popping? They're slightly popping. Yeah, and the spikes here. I have never ever seen the Game of Thrones. You've got GOT on there and the AM4 on the other one. Inside, made in Germany. I'm not sure. I think these are a UK release. You've got the black there, which I've never seen before. I have got all 6 of these, and I've also got extras as well, which I'm trying to do a collection video of. No continental bottoms. I don't know why they don't put continental. They're a different kind of rubber, a lot more grippy. Yeah, that is your floating torsion bar. Inside you've got these really nice sort of thick pads in here, look, that lead into the back piece here. You've got that there. I think that's the chip, that thing, this. I would never really have known what that is. And I don't know whether it is prime there, I'm not sure, but it's quite stiff. Well, it looks it there. The thing that I struggle with is getting my foot in here. They're an absolute nightmare to get on. Like I said, I got them in a 10, which I've only ever got half sizes before, so that's good. But that'll be an American half size now. Yeah, you've got the clear there, which is over the top of the design. I'm not quite sure what this design is. It looks like the ice something or other, but I would like to know. I'd like to watch the Game of Thrones. Yeah, so there's your Speedfactory, and I've got another one to show you, which is the 4D. So I'm going to quickly pop this on foot for you right now. Up until the right, until the wheels come off.